Nakita ko to sa YouTube kanina, mga bisdak, itong broken TV screen crack effect. Ito, tapos parang nasira na yung TV. So, kaya naisip ko, mga bisdak, na i-prank si Gian at saka si Ami at tingnan natin yung reaction nila. So, i-connect ko to sa TV dun sa sala. Andito ko sa kwarto, mga kabisdak, para di nila alam yung plano ko. So, i-connect ko to sa sala at sabihin ko na tinamaan ng something yung screen ng TV at yun na nasira. So, let's go.
Daddy, what happened?
Oh! The TV is broken. Huh? Huh? We cannot go out to buy because of COVID, the lockdown. We cannot go out to buy a new TV. Nag-vlog pa dyan ko, nakita. Nakita sa vlog. Look at this. Ha? Ha?
TV.
Yeah, the TV is broken. But we have another TV in the bedroom. Maybe we'll just get the TV in the bedroom first and we'll use the TV in the bedroom.
And where are we going to put the other TV at?
So we need to throw it away already. We put in the garage. Ready? Ha? Nakita sa vlog.
Sabay yung gigo.
Ang grabe-labi niya ng bully.
Somebody smash it.
Nakita pa sa vlog ba kasi ang mga kabistak.
Pero makita yung raman dito.
Kita, ha?
Hindi
Duwaan ito. Tinamaan din ito. Dagan man.
No, I cannot play Mario.
It's broken. Oh. Ay, makita yung makita sa vlog. Saktong-sakto kuha sa vlog.
Kesa pa yung labog sa luwaan.
Who broke the TV?
Daddy.
What are we going to do? Ha? Kami dalawa. Kami dalawa, di ba? Saktong-sakto di. Makita natin sa pag-i-play natin. Huh? What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Draw the TV so I can get a new one.
Huh? Babe, what are we going to do? Babe, why it's like this? Come here. Huh? LCD? No, there's no crack. Come. No, come here. Come here. There's no crack.
LCD ano sa ilang.
What do you mean LCD? There's no crack, oh.
Lagi. Kuan raman ni. Frame raman ni ang ilaw man na. May nabuak.
What?
O di ada.
But there's
Ang ilaw man lagi ano na ba?
but there's no.
Ano na sa ano ka?
What? What are you doing? Huh? See? You turn on now. You turn it on. Huh? Maybe you put in the antenna. Why there's no power already?
Because somebody left the TV.
Hmm?
Somebody smashed the TV so hard.
Who did it?
Daddy.
Daddy! No!
Yes!
Maybe Mama.
No! You, Daddy, because I push it because you might smash the TV.
Is it? Oh! Whoa, it's magic! What did you do? What did you do? La, what did you do?
Let's try if it works.
Joke na ay, prank. Proud pa si Ami, mabisa kasi akala niya na na-fix niya yung TV. Pinasmiley. Pinapugong na smile.
What happened?
That is a prank.
It's only a prank, Daddy. Daddy was kidding. Yan, mga bisdak, success yung prank natin. Sa epekto ito ng lockdown, mga bisdak. Kung ano-ano na lang yung may isip natin ngayon.
Bagay mo na uli.
So Gian, na-prank pa rin mga bisdak kasi kala niya nasira talaga yung TV. No, just kidding. The TV is not broken. Daddy was just joking. You still have a TV. Akala niya wala na siyang TV, mga bisdak. So yun. And salamat mga bisdak at umabot kayo hanggang sa dulo ng video na to. And see you sa next vlog. Bye-bye!